ATSD model, representing the HYDROCROP group with its 5 working stations: the punch, the angle shear, the round and square bars cropper, the flat shear, the notcher, and 2 electric foot pedals, one for punching and one for the remaining operations which work in combination with the controls on the electric switchboard: punch inching, continuous run of both drives, shear inching, notcher safety latch key, automatic stop, pedal. The machine further comprises an optional production package containing a punching work table, a notching work table, an automatic stop, a lamp with a magnetic base, 10 sets of punches and dies. This machine features a monoblock structure made up of 2 frames with machine faces and edges, mounted on intermediate plates, thus forming a sandwich fabricated and bolted assembly. Other relevant components include the linearly driven punching head, the shear and tool holder driving cylinder that moves inside the sandwich, the hydraulic equipment, the electric system. The moving part of the punching head is firmly guided. The die holder consists of a rigid assembly, adjustable lengthwise and crosswise, that is locked by means of bolts working from the front. A quick change system is used to clamp the punch into the punch holder, which has a positioning keyway for shaped tools. The die is guided and locked laterally. The punching table comprises stops adjustable through millimeter scales. Here, oblong holes are being punched in a plate that has been positioned accurately as required against the millimeter adjustable stops. Likewise, it is possible to have holes punched in a row, as in this angle iron. The gooseneck die block allows the punching of U-channels. Geka has patented an efficient system of single cut for shearing angle bars, with no material deformation or loss. It is based on a movable rotating blade that enters both legs simultaneously, irrespective of these being equal or not. At any angle, small or large, as is practicable. The angle bar is fed through an optional roller conveyor. The automatic stop is longitudinally adjustable, and its variable head covers up the different shearing stations. Each time the profile activates the electric stop, a machine cycle is performed. The cut quality for large profiles can be assessed in this picture. Now let's have small profiles cut. The result is perfect. Our machine also permits the miter cutting of angle bar ends, both legs for frame assembly. This station has been designed for solid bar cropping. We see the feeding of a round bar that actuates the automatic stop. Proceeding likewise, we have square bars cropped. The top knife of the flat shear is not straight. It has a special geometry designed to produce a high-quality cut. The flat product conveyor has 2 adjustable slides for the proper guiding of the material. This progresses between the slides, actuates the automatic stop, and is cut with great accuracy, longitudinally and transversely, as you can see. It is further possible to have the ends of angle bar legs cut for the making of frames. Observe the gap left to be filled with weld deposit. The notcher is a very versatile station. We are currently seeing a square equipment with a table fitted with millimeter stops. This equipment serves to cut grooves and make notches in the ends of angle bars for the making of frames, leg in or leg out.